Good morning everyone. I am Arvind Singh from Kannauj, Kanhaiya Lal Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College. First, I would thank mentor of this program, Mr. Deepak Sharma sir, who gave me an opportunity to describe my favor here, to statement my here. I would talk about the topic importance of teacher in the society. Teacher should be the best mind in the world. It is rightly said that teachers are not just educators but also nation builders who shape the foundation of the nation by providing them moral values as well as good education. So we are all teachers here. So we have more responsibility than the other personalities of the society. We have performing well by our education as well as conduct. The person and all the students follow our conception of the thought. So teacher should be the central figure of the society. Each and everyone has great expectation towards him. By our personality, by our teaching method, by our discipline, by our physical appearance, all these things are very helpful to make us a good teacher. So I say that importance of teacher in the society. Teacher should be giving their topics very clear and lucid among the students. He should not have hesitates before giving the topic of the students. He should be given to the logic way. So that's why we should examine each and every student. Some are very expert, some are God gifted, talented, but there are some very weak students in our class also. So we should notice the backbencher and the students who was very weak while teaching the subject. It is our technique. How can we explain our topic? That is the first bench to the last bench. All the students grasp it very meaningful way. So that's why I can say not only in our country but also all over the world, teacher are the main central figure. He has to describe their qualities among the society. There are many teachers who gave the great example of our Indian history also. If there was no Dronachar, how can we expect Arjun? If there was no Chanakya, how can we expect Chandragupta Maurya? If there was no Ramakrishna Paramahans, how can we expect Swami Vivekananda? So I think that teacher is the most favorable character who gave the direction of the society. At last, I would say that engineers make bridges. Engineers make bridges, artists make paintings, scientists make aeroplane, but teachers make them all. Thank you very much.